In this guide, we're going over how you can complete Storyline Quest 35, the Zombie Grunt quest here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, just ignore the quest marker. It is bugged and missing. You do not want to follow it. Instead, head to the cyborg NPC area. This is where the zombies actually do end up spawning. Not exactly sure why the quest marker is bugged still. I thought this would be fixed by now. Unfortunately, it's not. So instead, head to the cyborg NPC location and then just look around the area. You're going to see some zombie grunts. You just have to defeat 6 of them, and after you do defeat 6 of them, you are good to go. The storyline quest will automatically complete. But that really is it. Just ignore that quest marker one more time. I mean, you could go to it, but obviously if you don't see the zombies in that area, then in that instance, you just need to go ahead and ignore it because that means it is still bugged. But it might not be bugged like super far in the future if you guys are watching this forever from now. But yeah, ignore the marker, go to the cyborg area, kill 6 zombies, and you can move on from Storyline Quest 35. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.